We're here in the kibbutz Tilmei Yosef, which lies between Gaza and Egypt. We've just met with a farmer who has lost an entire crop of passion fruit. And not only is the crop lost, which was just the right time for picking, and the crop has been completely burnt, but even his infrastructure in terms of irrigation and the cabling that he's done to set up these passion fruit orchards is completely destroyed. Complete loss.
No, complete loss. Yesterday, just in this area, we had 20 fires, meaning 20 balloons.
Suicide bombings, rockets, mortars, stabbings, car rammings, and now this. And yet with each new terrorist innovation, Bridges for Peace has been there, providing bomb shelters, ambulances, motorcycles, specialized security equipment, whatever support the Israeli people needed with each new wave of terror. As these fires are raging out of control, the brave men and women that are fighting them are in desperate need of specialized firefighting trailers that will enable them to reach places that fire trucks simply cannot reach, and to extinguish the fires in the critical first 15 minutes before they blaze out of control. Your generous donation to our Crisis Assistance Fund will not only help Israel fight kite terror and extinguish blazes, but with Christian love, we will help Israel rebuild what hate has tried to destroy. Thank you so much.